Welcome, I'm Coach Tonya here at Criticalbench, and this video is all about glutes and how to build amazing glutes. So what I've done is I've chosen some of my favorite glute exercises and put them into one workout, but you have a choice. You can do this as a follow along with me because yes, I'm going to be going through this workout, so please join me if you'd like to do that. But if you have a lower body workout that you're absolutely loving, but you want a little bit of diversity or maybe you want to change it up a little bit, pick a few of these and pop them in just to give yourself some variety in your workout. Now there's a few things you are going to need for this workout. One is you're going to need a barbell, and depending on what weight you're lifting, you might want some extra plates to add to that. You're going to need a kettlebell, a mini band, and a bench, and I believe that is about it. I'm going to pop a text screen up here so you can see exactly what exercises we're going to be doing and rep ranges we're working within today, okay? So take a look. So we have barbell deadlifts, dumbbell Bulgarian split squats, kettlebell pause squat, banded butterflies, and banded hip thrusts. We're going to be working in that 5 to 8 rep range. We're doing these for 3 rounds. You get a good minute and a half between each round before moving on to the next one, and that'll get us right to the end. So let's get ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that workout, or I hope you're enjoying adding some new exercises to your lower body workout. You'll notice that in that workout, I did start bringing in the dumbbells for the Bulgarian split squat. So as you get more comfortable doing these exercises and doing them correctly, you know, the only way to really continue building glutes, beautiful round glutes, is to increase your volume and intensity. So you are going to want to start bringing in some more weight. So adding plates to the bar, grabbing heavier dumbbells and kettlebells, using a resistance band that offers more resistance. So make sure that as you're doing this, you are also challenging yourself and you're progressing your workout to keep the building going. So however you choose to do that, again, is up to you and how it fits into your existing workout or as your new lower body workout. Now, if you like working your glutes, there's a lot more to it than just lifting. There's a whole there's kind of a whole science behind how to build perfect, amazing glutes. And that doesn't include just building, but also glute activation. So I have something I want to give you, a great glute gift, and it's in that pinned comment below. If you click that, that is a whole bunch of information and exercises on how to wake up your butt. So this is glute activation, and this is what you want to do even prior to your workouts to get the most bang for your buck and get the most benefit out of these glute workouts that you're doing. So you're going to want to check that out. Put your email in, you're going to have that right away. Now, if you like the video, I'm running out of breath. Please give it a thumbs up. Makes me feel really good. And don't forget to click that notification bell or the subscription button so you never miss any of our great free video content. We have so much on this channel that you can't really go wrong. There's something here for everybody of every level and whatever your interest is when it comes to your health, wellness, and fitness. I'm Coach Tonya. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll be seeing you soon. Take care, everybody.